Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to apply instant slow-mo to videos with one tap in your Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. At first go to Gallery and here select your video you want to slow down. For example, let it be this video. At first we need to tap Edit over here, and now we have to tap this video editor over here, which is here. Now tap this clock icon, tap 1 divided by 4x. Now as you can see, our video is slowed down in 1 moment. This best moment of the video is found by AI, and then it's transformed. This segment is transformed into slow motion. Apart from that, here, if you don't like this moment that is selected by AI, we can, as you can see, select the whole video or just select the favorite segment for us. And now we can tap Save over here, Save, and that's how it works. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving this video. It's very important to us. And at final, I want to tell you that using this AI is better than recording in slow motion. It's because you can edit slow motion as you want here, not take time to get into the more slow motion on the recording. And that's it, as I said, and goodbye.